What's going on, guys? My name is Coach Koda, and today you're going to get 3 stocks that can rocket within the next 3 trading days. Stock number 1 is a stock called BBAI. This is Big Bear AI Holdings. Big Bear AI currently consolidating around $2.50. This stock can rocket to $2.65, $2.77, and even $2.89 within 3 trading days. Okay, BBAI is one of my stock trading plays. I am a professional day trader. I've been day trading for 11 years and helping people on this channel learn how to day trade profitably. There's a lot that goes into day trading. A lot of traders don't talk about all of the aspects that go in, but you are going to learn the intricacies of day trading and how to make consistent money from home on this channel. So make sure to like and subscribe. Click the notification bell because my trades are time sensitive. And let's go into our next play. COHR. We had so many traders make money on COHR. COHR was a top play. I called out when to buy into this stock, when to sell. Remember, this is not financial advice. This is for educational purposes only. We had so many traders make money on the COHR trade. You can see right here, Chaco made money. We had Charlie make money. We had Clamps make money. We had somebody get a 50% increase trading options on COHR. So much money that could be made. All you have to do is join the free Discord. The link is in the description. Join the free Discord. COHR is not a call out for the next 3 days. However, it can perform well. I do have one more profit target that can be hit at $53.31 on COHR, but I want to go into stock number 2. Stock number 2 is a stock called FNGR, Finger Motion. This company is doing well. It's consolidating around $2. I can see the stock pulling back as low as $1.77. But if the stock pulls back more than $1.77, then the trade is in jeopardy and you might want to close your position. FNGR can rally from the $2 that it's at right now to $2.23, $2.47, and $2.71. We can get a really strong parabolic move on FNGR within 3 trading days, so keep a very close eye on this stock. Okay, BBAI, FNGR, and then lastly I want to go over RIDE. This is ride stock. Be careful with this one. It's high risk, high reward, but RIDE, if it stays above $4, can really start to take off because we have an upside potential of possibly 100% if this stock really squeezes towards $7. But I'm really thinking that RIDE will squeeze to around $4.39, $4.79, and maybe $5.34. So those are my price targets for RIDE. Let's keep it conservative. Let's not get greedy and let that eat into our profits. We're not like other stock trading channels, which will call out 100 different stocks and then tell you that they're all going to go up 100% or 200%. We are going to take profits on our trade. 3 stocks we're keeping an eye on, that I'm keeping an eye on, that I may be buying right now. BBAI can go up to $2.63 from where it's at right now. Needs to stay above $2.50. Stock can rally to $2.77 and $2.89 as well. Stock number 2, FNGR, currently at about $2, looking for a hold of $2 and rally to $2.23 and $2.47. Stock number 3, RIDE. Want to pull back on RIDE to around $4, maybe even as low as $3.80. Buy in, rally to $4.20, $4.39, and $4.79. RIDE can really squeeze hard, so keep a careful eye on RIDE. Guys, if you want to make money consistently in the stock market, if you see that these plays are working, the stocks that I call out and my analysis based on psychological and fundamental analysis as well as technical analysis is helping you and helping you make money. If you see consistency here and you want to be a part of something bigger, then join my Discord group. Link is in the description. We're having live trading next Wednesday on June 21st. Do not miss that live trading session because that is your chance to see me and my other traders make money live in the stock market. If you've been with other traders who are just all talk, they're just telling you that they're making money or that their students are making money, but they have nothing to back it up. We actually have live trading where we can make money and you can make money and see that money in your trading account before you actually sign up for anything. We do have a pro Discord that you can sign up for. This is a premium subscription, but before you pay a dime, I'd like to show you that you can make money with my program. You guys have a fantastic rest of your day. Make sure to reserve that live session, which is next Wednesday at 6:20 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, and I will see you guys in the stock market. See you guys tomorrow.
Are you still bag holding that meme stock? Waiting to break even? Have you lost too much money to sell? Stop trusting bad traders. You need Coach Koda, the essential stock trading coach. He's helped hundreds of traders just like you go from losing money in the stock market to placing successful trades. No more bag holding. If you have seen Coach's channel, you know how consistent he is at finding the rare trading opportunities before they happen. If you had Coach Koda by your side from day one, would you have lost your hard-earned money in the stock market? When you become a pro member, you get immediate access to Coach's exclusive trades every trading day. Rocket Trading Pro is so much more than trading signals. You get access to Coach's tight-knit inner circle. Imagine trading alongside a stock market genius. You will know when Coach is buying or selling a stock in his private Discord. You don't have to feel the fear and uncertainty of trading alone anymore. Coach will guide you every step of the way. While we can't promise you will make $1 million your first day, if you follow instructions, you will notice yourself winning more and more of your trades. Pro members are already earning with Rocket Trader Pro right now. Imagine yourself about to place a trade after losing $2,000 on your first trade and $4,000 on the stock Teddy Zane swore would go to the moon. A little scary, right? Now imagine Coach showing you exactly where he is buying or selling a stock while reassuring you of your probabilities of success. He has been trusted by hundreds of new and experienced traders for over 10 years, but you watch his channel. You already know how devoted Coach is to your success. How much money will you lose without your coach? You know you need this. Join now and make the greatest trade of your life.
You've worked with traders in the past who promised the world but gave you nothing. Is it time to work with someone with a consistent track record for success? You know there are cheaper trading memberships out there. But this is your money we are talking about. What is the use of paying less if you don't get the result you want?